We are GamingWorks. We build serious games for serious business problems. And today we take a closer look to Cargo. In this simulation, we try to go back to the basics of IT service management, operational processes, and a little bit of tactical and strategic processes. And the reason is that many people, they didn't learn much about these basic processes in current training programs. And that's why we built this simulation. Cargo is a company that ships cars over the world. And in that context, they have to deal with incidents, services, problems, service requests, and many other things that happen in the day-to-day work of an IT operation team. Let's look at the essential processes in this game. In this simulation, the service desk is a single point of contact and will receive incidents and service requests from two business units, the ordering team and the logistic team. And the challenge for IT support is to take the calls, register them, and distribute them to the right solving team, which could be IT operations or IT development. The reason why we want to fix those incidents as quick as possible is the business wants to book orders. If the system is down, we can't book orders. So as soon as the solution is found, we need to go back to the business and check if the solution restores the service. Problem management is a crucial process. It reduces the number of incidents, also in Cargo. That's why the IT operation team will execute problem management activities. So they will check the incident database and check if they can see trends. If they find a trend and they can link it to an existing problem, it's better to fix the problem instead of all the individual incidents. This is called problem management. In this simulation, we also have a service manager. And the service manager has a service agreement with the business. And since we work with two vendors, tracking vendor and the cloud vendor, the service manager has signed service agreements with the vendors. And the service manager will monitor the performance of vendors and also involve them in the problem management process and incident management process. Cargo wants to grow. And that's why the business director asked the business owners, the ordering team and the logistic team, to think about new services that can make the company grow. And that's what they do. They design new services. But we need to find the technology, the software, we need to change systems, we need to update our infrastructure. So that's why the service manager will work together with the customer relationship manager to investigate the demand of the business. In the simulation, we have different challenges. And one of the challenges is continual service improvement. Because we want to deliver the service, and it's very difficult to achieve the service without CSI activities, continual service improvement activities. That's why the service manager will focus on improvements and make a calendar with service improvement activities. The input will come from the different roles. From a vendor, can come from IT operations, from a change manager. We'll investigate all the improvements, prioritize them and implement them. But one thing the students must realize, we need to use capacity to do so. So that capacity that is used for improvements cannot be used by service design or solving incidents. So that's why the service manager must work close together with all the stakeholders to prioritize the backlog and make the right decisions. If we don't improve, suddenly we have a problem that we don't have enough capacity to do all our work. If you're looking for an easy way to teach your employees the basic principles of IT service management, then Cargo is the simulation for you.